Are you looking for resources to develop the knowledge and skills of in-service or pre-service educators to support intensive intervention implementation? In this video, we'll highlight the top 5 professional learning resources from the National Center on Intensive Intervention and our partners. These include resources to support in-person training, coaching, and self-directed learning. Resource number 5. In number 5, we have the Coaching for Ongoing Professional Learning and Tiered Support Models. Coaching is a critical part of an ongoing professional learning system, and it differs from training or traditional professional development workshops that serve the purpose of developing new knowledge because coaching focuses on the application of new knowledge over time. Coaching plays a vital role in the implementation of tiered support models to ensure fidelity of learned practices by educators and within systems. This resource, developed in collaboration with the Rhode Island Department of Education, provides examples of coaching supports, models, and functions to support the implementation of multi-tiered systems of supports and database individualization. It includes information about defining features of systems-level coaching and educator-level coaching, provides examples of what coaching might look like across stages of implementation, highlights the skills and attributes of coaches, describes considerations for selection, training, and evaluation of coaches, and more. You can view the resource as a whole or focus on a specific area that you'd like to learn more about. Resource number 4. In number 4, we have the DBI Professional Learning series. This series includes 1 to 3 hour training modules that can be provided by a trained and knowledgeable professional to help school and district teams develop the knowledge and skills to implement intensive intervention through the database individualization or DBI process. This series includes 9 training module packages that include PowerPoint slides with speaker notes, handouts or activities for participants, and coaching guides to extend learning. On the website, you can click the Expand feature to find the relevant training modules to introduce intensive intervention and for each of the DBI steps. Resource number 3. In number 3, we have a 2-part online module on intensive intervention developed in collaboration with the IRIS Center. These modules use the IRIS STAR legacy model that's designed based on adult learning theory and offers an in-depth look at topics using a variety of formats: text, video demonstrations, audio interviews with experts and practicing educators, and interactive activities. Part 1 provides an overview of DBI and information about adapting or intensifying intervention, and Part 2 provides information about collecting and analyzing data within the DBI process. As self-paced modules, these can be used independently by individuals who are implementing intensive intervention or facilitated by faculty or professional development providers through a flipped classroom model. Resource number 2. This collection of intensive intervention course content was developed in collaboration with the University of Connecticut and the National Center on Leadership in Intensive Intervention and with support from the Cedar Center. This content is designed to support faculty and professional development providers with instructing pre-service and in-service educators who are developing and or refining their implementation of explicit instruction, intensive intervention in reading or mathematics, and behavior support for intensive intervention. The course content includes a course overview, how the course content is aligned to CEC standards, and suggested reading lists along with 4 to 8 modules worth of content. The modules include video lectures, videos of instructional examples and non-examples, slide presentations, workbooks with activities, coaching materials, and more. A brief web tour is available to learn more about how the course content is designed. And our number 1 and most recently released resource for professional learning are the NCII self-paced modules that can be accessed through our Learning Module Library. This Learning Module Library, developed in partnership with the Progress Center, houses self-paced modules that allow educators, administrators, and others supporting students with intensive needs to learn more about key components of intensive intervention and DBI at their own pace and on their own schedule. Each course includes a self-paced module, typically about 30 minutes or so, related resources, and a course completion certificate. To access the modules, you'll need to register for an account and log into the system. Additional modules and facilitated course options will be added over time, so be sure to check back often. Now that you know what NCII has to offer, see for yourself. All of these resources and more can be found on the National Center on Intensive Intervention's website, intensiveintervention.org.